Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. You woke up stiff, sore and tired? But in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to loosen up your entire spine, unlock your hips and fire up your energy for the day. Most people stretch incorrectly, or they don't even stretch, making them even tighter. Let's fix that today. One of these moves will instantly unlock your lower back, but only if you do it right. And I'll show you how. The last move in this session is something you've probably never tried before, but you'll wish you had. Most people actually don't realize how much tension they're holding in their hips until they try the stretch. Your back isn't tight because it's weak. It's tight because your hips aren't moving correctly. Let's change that today. One small mistake could make you tighter instead of looser, and I'll show you how to fix it. Oh, and if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you. Make sure to stick through the end of the session to find out. I promise you're gonna love this. Let's hit the mat. Your spine has been locked up all night or all day. Your hips are tight. Your body needs movement. This is your full reset button. Set your hips back into child's pose, arms reaching forward. Take a deep breath, then glide forward into cobra stretch, lifting your chest. Repeat slowly. Exhale as you flow back into child's pose. Repeat slowly. I promise this move decompresses your spine, stretches your hips, and increases circulation so you can wake up feeling loose and strong. Beginners keep elbows bent in cobra for less intensity. Advanced stretches hold cobra longer and press deeper into the stretch. You feel that? That's your spine thanking you. Now let's open up your hips and back even more. Now that your back is loose, let's unlock those hips with a deep rotation. Your hips are holding tension like a locked door. This move is a key to unlocking them. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, plant your left hand down and twist, lifting your arm up toward the sky. Hold, breathe and feel your hip and spine opening up. I promise you this will reset your hips, decompress your lower back and wake up your entire core. Beginners, keep your hand on your knee for support. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee off the ground for extra activation. Hold for 5 more seconds. See if you can twist just an inch deeper. That just unlocked your right side. Now let's give the left side the same love. We're not about to walk around feeling uneven. Let's balance things out. Step your left foot forward into a deep lunge. Plant your right hand down and twist, lifting your left arm up toward the sky. Hold, breathe, and feel the stretch from your spine to your hip. I promise when your hips are balanced, your entire body moves better and you'll feel stronger all day. Beginners, keep the twist small and gentle. Advanced stretches, lift the back knee to activate your core. Breathe in. Now twist 1% deeper. Let your body open up. Your spine and hips are awake. Now let's work on those glutes. This is where we bring it all together. Hips, spine, strength, and balance. If you've been feeling stiff, sluggish, or out of alignment, this move will reset your entire body. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Drop into a deep squat, chest up, knees tracking over toes. Plant one hand down. Rotate the other arm toward the sky. Switch sides, alternating the twist each rep. I promise this is a stretch that makes everything click. It boosts flexibility, strengthens your legs, and opens your spine in ways you didn't know you needed. Beginners, hold on to a surface for support. Advanced stretches, keep heels flat and add a pause at the top of each rotation. Can you twist deeper? Hold the stretch longer? Let's see what you've got. Final 10 seconds. Stick with me. Yep, push through. Your entire body is awake, mobile, and strong. And just like I promised, if you sit for hours, don't stop here. Your body is begging for more. I created something special for you. Go grab a free desk worker stretching guide. It's packed with morning stretches, midday stretches, evening stretches, desk workouts, office ergonomic tips, and much more to keep your body pain-free and flexible. Click the link in the description or pin comment now before you forget. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.